Welcome to the Talking Reliability podcast, where the future of maintenance meets the power of sound. Hosted by Chris Hallam from UE Systems, we're diving deep into the world of predictive maintenance, asset reliability, and cutting-edge ultrasound technology. Whether you're on the plant floor or leading reliability strategies, pull up a chair, or better yet, grab your hard hat, because we're bringing you real talk, real stories, and real insights from the experts who keep industries running. Let's crank up the volume on reliability. Hi guys, and welcome to Talking Reliability. Now, before we get started, I want you to grab a pen and a piece of paper. Or if you're in front of your computers, bring up your agenda and note the date, the 2nd of October, 2025. Because on that date, at the engine rooms in Warrington near Manchester, UK, we are going to be hosting the Talking Reliability Conference. At this event, we will deep dive into the world of reliability engineering, exploring the strategies, technologies, and mindset shifts that drive sustainable success in industrial operations. In this one-day event, industry experts will speak about the challenges and solutions in creating a culture of reliability, securing buy-in from leadership teams, and proven strategies to help you drive efficiency, reduce downtime, and maximize asset performance. So check out the website talkingreliability.com. Sign up today because there are limited spaces, and I look forward to seeing you then. So now that's out the way, I'd like to introduce myself to you because this is a journey that we're about to go on. And I'd like you to get to know me, and hopefully I'll get to know some of you, our followers, as time goes on. So myself, I'm an electrical engineer by trade. Joined the Royal Air Force in the UK at the age of 19 and travelled the world doing lots of different jobs in electrical engineering. After about 13, 14 years, I decided to take the leap back into Civvy Street for the first time in my working career, you could say. So I went into the world of engineering training, teaching apprentices on the railway industries, electrical principles and engineering practices within the railway sector. I eventually joined UE Systems about 9 years ago now, just over, teaching ultrasound to our customers from many different industries. And over those years, I found that we were facing the same problems time and time again, or same challenges, you could say, from sector to sector. And I wanted to find ways in which we could create a platform to be able to share stories or share education to people to help people improve the way they do things. And many an evening, we would talk about how we can do these sort of things. How could we get the word out there? You may have seen many webinars done by myself on our YouTube channel, but I wanted to change things up a little bit. Times are changing, so I need to change as well. So I decided that we'll do some podcasts, and that's where Talking Reliability came from. And we talk about change. We need to change. I want to change. So we have to change. So what is Talking Reliability? Well, it's a platform. It's a platform to share positive stories to share success with you, the people out there. Because far too often, people seem to always focus on the negatives. It's always looking at the failures and looking for someone to blame. And I think we should be shouting from the rafters about the good things that we can do, the potential failures that we've avoided, the savings we've made. And that's where this comes in. So I'm going to be bringing people on from different industries that are going to share the successes that they faced, but also the challenges before they made those successes. So if you have a success story that you would like to share or you would like to promote out there to the wide world, then please get in touch with me because I'll be more than happy to celebrate the successes with you on this platform. So what else are we going to be doing on this Talking Reliability podcast? Well, we're going to explore the term reliability and how industries see it, or actually really the way they think, or maybe they confuse reliability with availability and things like that. So we're going to deep dive into those sort of areas. We're going to discuss the basics in maintenance practices, strategies and goals, going into what is condition-based maintenance, for example, and things like that, or reactive condition-based maintenance in some instances. I will host guests who will discuss failure mode effect, criticality analysis, and root cause analysis. And of course, being UE Systems, it would be wrong not to have a ultrasound application series, would it? Really? So we can explore the technology itself, its evolution in the IoT space. I'll bring a specific episode in for that one. And bring in case studies and wins from industry too. Now, ultrasound being just one of the predictive technologies in the toolbox, we will run some predictive maintenance technology episodes as well, exploring the benefits of technologies such as vibration analysis, thermal imaging, oil analysis, and many more. And I'll bring in guest speakers and experts in their use. So look out for those as well as we go along this journey. And one of my favorite areas, one of my very, very, very big favorite areas I'm looking forward to covering is culture, mindset. Because in my experience of supporting industries with technology strategies and selling, the idea of change is by far the most challenging task when beginning a journey to improve reliability. We as humans like to be in our comfort zone. We like what we know. What we don't know, we're afraid of. And that's the hardest thing. So we're going to explore how we can change our mindsets to improve the way that we do things. So stay tuned for the Talking Reliability podcasts that are going to be coming out more frequently. And keep a lookout on our social media posts as well for little shorts that I'll bring to you for small educational snippets. So take a look at the show notes at the bottom of this podcast, and you'll see all the links that you require to then keep following. Until next time, I look forward to speaking to you again soon. Take care.